Investing in stocks, bonds, and other securities is not just for the wealthy. It is for all of us that lives the American dream and wants to have financial freedom and independence. Your money works harder for you. You don't have to be a stock market guru to invest. You just need to understand a few different things. You need a plan. It's as simple as that. We've talked about planning and strategic ways of doing things, and all of it involves planning. Understanding investing and understanding how to start the process, we're going to make it doable, we're going to make it fun, we're going to make it very clear. The Rich Life Blueprint, we want to talk about smart and simple investing, and that's what we're going to do with this module. Let's talk about how we go about doing this. The truth is money is either growing or dying. There's no in between. There is no in between. Despite what immigrants say about their money being in a vault or under the mattress, if it's under the mattress or in a vault, it's dying. Your $1 today is 50 cents tomorrow, because that's what the buying power is. Your money is only worth what the buying power is. So you can have $1, it's the same dollar, it looks like the same dollar, but today it can buy 2 eggs, tomorrow it can buy half of an egg. So that dollar has devalued. Sitting in a savings account at 0.5% interest while inflation is 3% means it's dying. The good news is you don't need to be a Wall Street guru to win at money, win at investing. You just need to show up consistently. I'll give you examples of investments that I have done myself and how my strategy is, and I'm not an investment guru. For example, the S&P 500, on average, the average return for the last 90 years, and yes, I mean 90 years, through depressions, recessions, everything, has consistently grown 10%. So if you're not a day trader and you take your money in and out of the market and you're 90 years old and your dad invested $10 for you 10 years ago, 90 years ago, it has grown 10% in the past 90 years every year. Consistent beats clever every single time. Consistency is important. So if you hold on and you understand what you're doing and you're not a guru, you just start with the S&P 500, in the long run, it is going to work better than a lot of other things. So let's talk about your mindset around it. Shift your thinking right now. Investing isn't gambling. A lot of people, oh, you're gambling on the stock market. If you're day trading, you might be gambling. I'm not going to say that. You know, you're paying for your future self. Again, wealth building is about paying your future self. Every dollar you invest today is hiring a little worker for you that never sleeps while you're sleeping, by the way. And the interest is compounded wealth 24/7. You're not just picking stocks, you're buying them. You're buying freedom. You're buying the right to say yes to opportunities because your money is growing while you live your life. That's what investing of all types is. Investing of all types is the sweat that you sweated for that $3 is now, so that $3 is sweating for you because you're investing it. It's working for you. Your money working for you. Here are the 3 steps that we need to talk about. We're going to talk about your index funds. You know, buy the market, not individual stocks. That's the first thing that you want to do when you're starting out. Every dollar, you know, cost averaging is the same amount of every month automatically you put in. You automate and set it up and let it run. Let it run for decades. If you're starting, you start with $25 a month. If that's what you got. You got $25, put $25 because everything matters. The amount is better. The amount matters less than the habit. The habit is what's important. $25 every month. Do that. We're going to talk about in this module about opening your investing account. I am going to show you how to start doing that with $0. It takes $0 to open an investment account. We're going to talk about picking index funds across the board, and we're going to also show you how to automate that. In our next video, we're going to talk more about the actual mechanics behind investing, and in this module and in our workbook, we're actually going to show you how you open and you start that first investing account. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second time to plant the tree is now, because your future self, this is your future self, and your future self deserves to have their money, make money for them while they sleep, and that's what investment means.